Hello everyone, welcome to the series of science lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. Atmospheric refraction, twinkling of stars. You might have noticed during night time when you look at the sky, some of the stars will look like they are twinkling. Stars will get brighter and dimmer continuously. Why this happens? Twinkling of star is basically due to atmospheric refraction of stars, the light emitted by stars. This is the actual position and this is the apparent position of star because of refraction. Star is actually located in this position due to refraction of light, bending of light. Star appear as if it is above it. Due to refraction of light, we see star at this position, slightly above the actual position. Starlight, on entering to the Earth atmosphere, undergoes series of refraction. There involves many factors. As the atmospheric temperature changes, even the refractive index of that medium also changes. Since there will be continuous change of temperature and other physical factors, the refractive index also changes continuously. Stars are very far away from Earth. They look like a point-sized. We won't see a big spherical star. Instead, we see the star as just one point. As the rays of light coming from stars keeps on varying slightly, the apparent position of the star fluctuates. Sometimes stars appear brighter and sometimes stars appear dimmer. We see as if the stars are twinkling. Instead, the stars that we see sometimes look brighter and sometimes look dimmer. That effect makes us to think as if the stars are twinkling. Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. The sun is visible to us around 2 minutes before actual sunrise. And during evening, even after sunset, we can able to see the sun for around 2 minutes. But why? Because this happens because of refraction. A person is standing at this point of Earth and we can notice atmosphere surrounding the Earth. Light travels faster in vacuum. Light travels slower in denser media. Denser medium like in atmosphere, light travels slower. Initially, sun is at this position. A ray of sunlight hit the atmosphere and it scatters. Even though the sun is at this position, this is the actual position, because of bending of light, if we extend the bent light, we see as if sun is above the horizon. Similar thing happens during sunset. Even though sun is below the horizon, due to refraction of light, we see sun is above the horizon. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.